Welcome guys, let us solve this exponential equation together. So we're going to start by converting this root to an exponential power. So we have this all to the power of 1 over x, and that equals root 2 times square root of root 2. So we're going to do something interesting here. We'll take this inside the root, and since the square root of x squared is x, so we can just say x squared times x and all to the power of 1 over x, and that equals, we do the same thing by taking root 2 inside the square root, and then we have square root of root 2 squared, then times root 2. And this works because the square root of x squared is x, therefore it comes outside just like we have before. So we haven't done anything mathematically wrong. So here we can say x squared times x, and then here we can convert the square root to power of 1 over 2, and that multiplies 1 over x, and it equals, we do the same thing here also, square root of 2 squared times square root of 2, and then we have it to the power of 1 over 2. So we can just go ahead to cross out the power of 1 over 2, and also square here cancels the root, therefore we have x squared times x and all to the power of 1 over x, and this equals 2 times square root of 2. So we combine these two together and it gives us x cubed all to the power of 1 over x, and that equals, we take these two inside the square root just like we have done before, therefore we have square root of 2 squared times 2. So moving further, we can just easily say that x cubed all to the power of 1 over x equals square root of, and this combines to give us 2 to the power of 3. So moving further, we can have x cubed all to the power of 1 over x equals 2 to the power of 3 and all to the power of 1 over 2. So let's do something interesting here by swapping the position of the power. So we can say x to the power of 1 over x all to the power of 3 equals 2 to the power of 1 over 2 all to the power of 3. And so we can go ahead to cancel out 3. Therefore, we're left with x to the power of 1 over x equals 2 to the power of 1 over 2. And guys, we are not done yet. It is worth noting that 2 to the power of 1 over 2 is the exact same thing as 4 to the power of 1 over 4, right? So we can go ahead to make use of this idea. Therefore, we have x to the power of 1 over x equals 2 to the power of 1 over 2, which equals 4 to the power of 1 over 4. And finally, when we compare the power and the base, we will therefore deduce that x equals 1 over 2 or x equals 1 over 4. And that's our final answer. And please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beautiful videos like this. Have a good day.